Hey guys,
what's up?
this Vortex Gaming here.
Doing a YouTube video today for you guys.
Collaborations.
Let's see if you guys like it. Yeah, it'll be a nice video today. We'll be, doing the usual stuff.
You're going to be joining on my road.
Continue the adventure and stuff like that. So yeah.
Adventuring.
I'm going to be joining Vortex today, and yeah.
Come on, the lag.
Alright, I'm in. So, yeah.
My world is glitching out.
I'm lagging here, same. Yeah, so.
Okay, stop. Okay, guys.
So yeah, we're not gonna work now. We're gonna sleep, and then in the morning probably we'll decide if we want to do an adventure and stuff like that. So we'll be back in the morning. Hey guys, we're back now, and yeah, we still deciding what we want to do. Okay, yeah, I enchanted some of my armor, seeing that headshot.
No, that didn't hit. That actually hit on the side of the building. It's close.
So I don't know if you're continuing to search with the cartographer or such like that. So
how about just fix up your house? Then let's get back to that.
Oh yeah, I gotta add on my
your room
on your house. So yeah. So now that we're building, you guys will probably get to see now how I build. I add on stuff into the house and such like that. So yeah.
Also, if you notice there's lag in the game, that's probably because of the Wi-Fi. So don't leave any hate. Don't leave hate. Creepers.
No, that actually was a spider.
Come on. I hate spiders.
Okay, so gotta find out what I'm doing here with this part of the house. So in the meantime, I'll let Reese talk about what he wants for issue. Water King here, remember the Clash of Clans video we made?
Oh, I really want my Barbarian King, and I would actually like to get it before the end of the year. I just turned Town Hall 7 a few months ago, so I'm looking forward to that. Also, would like to advance my channel further, and I guess that's it. Well, for Clash of Clans on YouTube. For Minecraft, I would like to furbish all the rooms in my house, and I also would like to help Aiden with his house, and I guess that's it.
Yeah, we're on Vortex's world right now, so you won't be seeing too much of my world, since my world, my house and such is under construction. So.
So Psycho.
So in this video, we're just building my bedrooms.
Oh, I found something. A zombie villager. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Okay. Let me just let up.
Wait, where are you? I'm seeing your gamer tag, but I actually can't see you.
Oh yeah, we'll do a video and such like that on how to build starter houses in Minecraft, and yeah, we'll show you how our perspective is on building
our different perspectives.
Alright, building star houses. It's just like that.
Now you can see where we are in the map. This is my house.
Yeah, so
and
this
that
recording
is his
while
house.
I'm recording, so yeah. We actually are recording in the same room as we speak right now. So hopefully this video shouldn't be like the part one of finding the ocean monument. The ocean temple as it is in the video. The name couldn't be that long, so we changed to ocean temple. And so forth.
Okay, so what is your future thoughts for the world? What would you like to accomplish?
Oh, you mean me?
Yeah.
I really don't want to accomplish anything else like that for this world. You know, this is what do you call this? Is brick design? Vortex?
Yeah.
Brick design?
Yeah, that's my nickname.
Reese calls this the brick design and likes this on the builds I do for him, so I'm just kind of doing this along the strips of the house here. I mean, it's pretty easy.
Oh gosh, it's cold.
This house and it's just for what just says on the faster. Yeah.
Oh, come on.
I haven't put sharpness on my sword yet, oddly.
That's very strange, being you.
So, yeah. I don't know. I mean, he's supposed to be behind the trap door, but the zombies keep going for him. We need to build an iron golem for this village. I mean, this village has been alive and died again, and then alive again because we keep spawning more and more.
I was actually going to burn that village.
Yeah, he was, but okay. But then he saved it, so that's that. I'm still wanting. We got to work on lighting up this village more. And so forth. So, Reese, while I'm doing this thing, you can find some little things to talk about here.
Like, what would you mean?
Yeah, because I'm not really a talkative builder, so yeah, I'd rather build in a quiet environment. Not saying that it's not quiet here, but you get what I mean.
Yeah, I think I could piece together what you're trying to say. Okay, so guys, my inspiration on this house is actually a video I saw from Hermitcraft series, and I recommend you to go check it out.
It's a really nice series and such, guys. I know you guys would enjoy it because I do, and that's where I got all my building from. I know you guys would be like, but does builds like that in real life? But yeah, we just took ideas and inspiration from videos and real houses and stuff like that. So yeah. And we used to watch Stampy. We don't really watch him anymore. Not saying that we don't recommend it. We recommend for like you younger viewers out there to go and check out his channel.
Yeah,
and like that.
I Ballistic Squid.
Yeah. So I hate to know this thing's on internal storage for my recording. I don't know if it does.
Oh, I hate that.
So I'll be right back after I'm done doing this brick design on the house.
Okay guys, see you later.
your opinion on some of our builds.
Okay guys, I'm back at you again. I'm just building a room here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I guess I could just furnish it to a certain extent. Probably might make it into a room. It has a pretty good shape.
Recreating some of the room, some of the house.
Okay guys, tell me if you would like if you comment and subscribe, please comment and tell us if you would like the subscriber wall to go right here. If so, please comment it. Okay guys, what do you think? Should we make more Clash of Clans videos or more, say, Minecraft videos?
Yeah, that's true too. We're studying if we should make more Clash of Clans content for you guys. I know there's Clash Royale out there, so we're deciding if to start Clash Royale. Yes, we have accounts on Clash Royale already, and we are quite for in it. I actually was in Builder's Workshop and stuff like that, so we'll have that content coming to you guys sooner or later. Guaranteed.
Okay guys, I don't know what I'm gonna make this room out of this room, but I think I just have a feeling that I'm gonna make it a room, either a guest room or my room.
You could comment and tell us if you like our builds, and tell us what you would want to see in some of our builds, so we can know to add that in. So yeah. Wait, Vortex, did I just hear you say your room? But you have a room already.
Yeah, but that's getting too cramped.
It's not cramped. It's a good room.
Yeah, it's a good room, but my dog, no, it's getting cramped. I can't have him sit properly without his face getting burned off by the graphics of Minecraft.
Burn his face getting what? What?
Usually, I want to put him to sit here, but it's hard to got him sitting there without his face being right here. So I think I'll make a guest room.
The subscriber, like Palace subscriber room, and have like the names of the subscribers on the walls and such forth.
Oh, so then I could carry my dog upstairs.
So yeah,
that sounds like a good idea.
The subscriber wall.
No, I'm changing this.
Changing what?
My room. And
what's wrong with your room?
I don't like it.
Put down in the comments hashtag new room Vortex if you really want him to make a new room. And what if you tell us in the comment section, he'll think about it and do. So yeah. We can do interior designing and such forth, so if you want us to help you make, like, you have a confined area and you wanna make room for something else and you really want the room to look better and such forth, you can come to us and we can give you a video on how to make the room better for say what your design is and what your plans are. So
yeah, you were saying?
You can tell us in the comments what else you would like us to do in the Quest to Find the Ocean Monument series. I know we said that's coming soon and such, but we just want to have your opinion on some of the things we do in our videos, guys.
Yes, he's correct. But I don't know. you really gotta help us out with the Clash Royale or Clash of Clans. And
Yeah, we really like your opinion on that stuff, guys. Really.
please spread the news of our channel to all of your friends,
Yeah.
so we can actually be promoted and grow, and we will see if we can actually, let's say, promote the other channels that promote us.
Yeah, 'cause we really wanna grow our channel and stuff like that. Check out Beastly Gamer. Beastly Gamer gave Reese, Water King, or Vortex Gaming shout out in one of his videos to help along with our videos and
Our
stuff.
channel and stuff.
Yeah.
So shout out to Beastly Gamer.
It's Beastly Gamer and such forth. We'll have other people. We'll shout some of you guys out that comment on some of our videos. So yeah, tell us what else you'd like to see us do with things in our world, and we'll do it as I said before.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Also, if you would like to see more of this, comment and subscribe to all of our videos.
Yeah, I really, it will mean the world to us, guys, if you just subscribe, tell your friends, share this channel, and such forth. Because we really enjoy making content for you guys, and we don't plan on stopping anytime soon, so yeah.
Stop this. Okay, guys. Just finishing up in here, and I'd like to see what you think when I'm finished. Okay, guys, I think we have to finish here, so
Yeah, we have to wrap it, so
bye-bye.
bye.